Which cordless drill is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, DEKOPRO Cordless Drill Toolkit. First up, we have the DEKOPRO Cordless Drill Toolkit priced at $64.99. What caught my attention here is that it comes as a complete toolbox, which is super handy for anyone needing multiple tools in one set. If you want a solid all-in-one solution for your home repairs, this is worth a serious look. This drill features a 20V power source with a 1.5 Ah battery that charges in just 1.5 hours and lasts for up to 6 hours of regular use. The maximum no-load speed reaches 1350 RPM, which is more than enough for everyday tasks like assembling furniture or hanging shelves. Plus, it includes 13 different tools, from screwdrivers to pliers, so you're really getting a lot of value here. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It means you can tackle a variety of jobs without having to run back and forth to the store for extra bits. Now, some people complained about the weight of 6.38 kilograms being a bit much for extended use. Here's the thing though, if you're just doing occasional DIY projects, this weight won't be a deal breaker. It's built to last and offers a ton of versatility. This is perfect for you if you're starting on DIY projects and want everything in one kit. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight option for quick tasks. For the price, you honestly can't go wrong with this toolkit. Product number 2, DEKOPRO 20V Cordless Drill. Next, we have another DEKOPRO option, the V Cordless Drill priced at just $29.99. This caught my eye for being a more budget-friendly choice that still packs a punch. If you're after something reliable without spending a fortune, this one is worth considering. It weighs only 2.5 pounds, making it super portable and easy to handle. The included 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery is designed to last, so you won't run out of power when you need it most. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The torque settings help prevent stripping screws, which is a common frustration when DIYing. Now, some users mention the battery life isn't as long as they'd hoped. But honestly, if you're using it for smaller jobs, you'll likely find the battery lasts just fine. Just keep it charged up and you'll be good to go. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to do some light home repairs. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty projects. For under $30, it's a solid investment. Product number 3, Avid Power 20V Cordless Drill. Now let's look at the Avid Power 20V Cordless Drill, which retails for $37.37. What stood out to me is the real-time battery level display, which is super useful for homeowners who don't want to be caught off guard. If you're someone who wants to keep track of your battery life, this drill could be a great fit. With a maximum torque of 280 Nm and 15+1 torque settings, this drill offers precise control for tasks like driving screws and drilling into wood or metal. The variable speed of 0.550 RPM is perfect for delicate tasks, helping you avoid any mishaps. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It gives you the ability to handle various materials without worrying about damaging them. But I'll be real with you, if you're focused on home repairs and furniture assembly, this shouldn't be a deal breaker at all. This is ideal for you if you want a user-friendly drill for DIY projects. Skip this if you plan to do heavy-duty drilling. For the features it offers, the price is quite reasonable. Product number 4, High-Spec Mini Electric Screwdriver. Next up is the High-Spec Mini Electric Screwdriver priced at $17.99. This one caught my attention for its compact design and lightweight build. If you're looking for something portable for quick tasks, this could be your go-to option. With a rechargeable battery and 26 driver bits, this screwdriver is designed for small projects like assembling furniture or installing fixtures. Plus, the single-speed operation of 180 RPM makes it perfect for everyday tasks. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It makes quick work of those little screws that can take forever to do manually. A common complaint is that it's not suitable for drilling, which frustrated some users. But here's the thing, if you're specifically looking for a drill, this isn't it. It's designed for precision screw driving, which is what many people need for minor repairs. This is perfect for you if you mostly tackle small jobs around the house. Skip this if you need a full drilling option. At this price, it's hard to find a better value for light tasks. Product number 5, PULITUO 20V Cordless Drill. Finally, we have the PULITUO 20V Cordless Drill, priced at $33.99. This one impressed me with its dual battery setup and powerful torque. If you need something reliable for a range of tasks, this might just be your best bet. The 2 variable speed settings allow you to adapt to different situations, which is great for precision. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can switch gears quickly between tasks without losing power. Some users noted that the drill is slightly heavier than expected at around 3.5 pounds. But honestly, if you're looking for performance, that additional weight often means better stability and control when drilling. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile drill that can handle a variety of tasks. Skip this if you only need something for quick, light jobs. For the features and quality, the value is impressive. So there you have it. We covered the DEKOPRO toolkit if you want everything in one package, the budget-friendly DEKOPRO drill for beginners, the Avid power drill with a battery display, the compact high-spec screwdriver for small tasks, and the versatile PULITUO drill for all-around use. Each has its strengths based on what you need. Pick the one that fits your home projects best.